Do you want to know how you can log into your Workforce Payroll account? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. This is your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your payroll account on your Workforce. So go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar and search for Workforce Payroll Login. Then click on the second link which says Workforce. It will take you to this official login portal where you can log in with your Google account or your email address. So if you want to skip all of this, go ahead and click Login with Google and select your Google account. And after that, click Continue, and if the account exists, you can log into your account using Google. This way, you can use your Google account. Now let me talk about using your email address. Go ahead and write down your email address in this box, and then write down your password in the second box and check your password once and make sure it is connected to your Workforce account. Go ahead and click Login and you can successfully log into your Workforce Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.